video, I'm going to share you one of the greatest news who are trained and who have some relevant experience as a Python web developer. So this is one of the good news for them. So because I'm going to share one of the MNC companies used to hire the who have freshers to 2 years of experience candidate as a Python web developer. Then what is that company name and where it is located and uh, what are the skills are required to apply for the job. So let me discuss all these things. So here is the career page of EY company. So EY a company is hiring the Python engineer. Okay, work location is Bangalore. Okay, and salary is competitive and date of the post dated. Okay, so December 24 only. Okay, so EY company is looking for who have strong experience in Python, strong development experience in Python, and API development experience in Python based frameworks, Flask, Django, Tornado, Fast API, okay, and debugging in Python, IDE, PyCharm, and VS Code, object mapping experience using SQL, Alchemy, or Alembic, okay, and also good to have experience on Docker, okay, strong container and container orchestration experience, okay, so preferable Kubernetes, okay, and AWS experience is preferred, and design and implement the APIs and deep understanding of REST and SOAP, HTTP, etc. Hands-on experience in microservices services design and development, and so these are the some primary skills. These are the must-have skills. Okay, so your role is like a Python engineer or you can say API developer also, and nice to have experience on like databases, NoSQL, Postgres, SQL Server, experience with Pandas or NumPy, experience implementing security such as auth, SAML, single sign-in, mobile device management, etc. Okay, so if your skill set are match, then you can apply for the job, guys. So who are having some relevant experience, 2 years experience candidates also, you can apply for the job. And at the same time, even freshers also you can apply for the job. Okay, from 2020 pass out candidates onwards, you can apply for the job. Okay, to apply for the job, just click on the apply now button, and it will navigate to another new page. You need to register with this company. Okay, then you can apply for the job. You can upload your updated profile. Okay, so anyhow I will share this link in the video description. Okay, you just go through that link and you can apply for the job. Okay, so if you want more videos like this, then do me a favor, hit the like button, and also don't forget to share to your friends as well. So I will come back with one more useful information video. Thank you very much.